Are you looking for some fun and nutritious snack ideas for your kids? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll be sharing some delicious and healthy snacks that your kids will love. So let's get started. Our first snack is a classic favorite, apple slices with peanut butter. It's packed with vitamins and protein. Simply cut an apple into slices and spread some peanut butter on top. It's a perfect combination of crunchy and creamy. Next up, we have yogurt parfait. This colorful snack is not only delicious, but also full of calcium and probiotics. Start with a layer of your kids' favorite yogurt, add some fresh berries, and sprinkle some granola on top. It's a treat they won't be able to resist. Moving on, we have vegetable sticks with hummus. This snack is loaded with vitamins and minerals. Slice up some colorful veggies like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers. Then, dip them into some creamy hummus. It's a tasty way to get your kids to eat their veggies. Now, let's talk about a crowd pleaser, fruit kebabs. This snack is both healthy and fun to make. Take some fruits like strawberries, pineapple, and grapes, and thread them onto skewers. It's a great way to introduce your kids to different fruits and get them excited about eating healthy. Last but not least, we have homemade popcorn. It's a fantastic alternative to store-bought chips. Simply pop some popcorn kernels in a pot with a little oil and boil up. You have a delicious and whole grain snack that your kids will adore. Thank you for watching our video on fun and nutritious snack ideas for kids. I hope you found these ideas helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. And be sure to check out our other videos for more healthy and tasty recipes. Until next time, happy snacking!